Hi guys, this is Mohammed Saad. So in the previous video we studied about apparent magnitude of stars. So in this video we'll be studying about absolute magnitude of stars and the distance using apparent and absolute magnitudes. So firstly, what is absolute magnitude? So firstly, let's recall what was apparent magnitude. So just remember, apparent magnitude was a measure of how bright or dim a star is, but it actually creates a fault in mathematical or astronomical calculations, as a dim star seems to be bright if it's close enough. So a new quantity was invented, which was called absolute magnitude. So this kind of magnitude was measured from a particular distance to a star, which was 10 parsecs. So now we'll be getting into distance using apparent and absolute magnitudes. So recall in the first lecture of apparent magnitude, we discussed about a formula which gives the difference in brightness of two stars with their magnitudes m1 and m2, where the difference in m1 and m2 gives delta m, which is raised in the exponent of this number. So the difference in the brightness of two stars can be expressed as 2.512 raised to the power delta m. So for finding distance between stars or Earth and stars by the absolute and apparent magnitude, we come up with a new formula which is defined as d, distance equals 10 parsecs multiplied by change in luminosities whole root. So let's consider this star which has an absolute magnitude of 0.58 and apparent magnitude of minus 6.02. So we come up with the distance equals 10 times delta L. Delta L will be in the root of 2.512. This is the power 0.58 minus, we will be subtracting minus 6.02, which will become positive 6.02, which will be 10 times under root 2.512 raised to the power 6.6. So let me just grab my phone for the calculation. So 2.512 whole raised to the power 6.6, we get 10 times 436.646. So should be under root, sorry. And now under root of this we get 10 times 20.8. So the final distance between Earth and the star will be 10 times 20.8, which will be 208 parsecs. So this is actually a very crucial and important way of finding distance in the astronomy using the apparent and absolute magnitudes of stars. So thanks for watching guys, stay tuned, bye.